At 4:51 a.m., a stealth security operator saw an individual jump over the fence surrounding a Montreal construction site. Our operator immediately activated the on-site speaker warning. The suspect ignored the warning and proceeded inside the building. The monitoring operator then contacted police. Construction sites are prime targets for trespassers. These often open spaces house valuable equipment and materials that are attractive to thieves. One of the most common methods contractors use to help secure a site is to install a perimeter fence. However, these alone can't stop determined individuals. Officers arrived at the site and intercepted the trespasser. They placed him in handcuffs and escorted him off the property.